Hello YouTubians. This is just a quick video on how to remove your rear tail light assembly from a 2025 Forester. Mine's a premium, but I think it should be the same on any trim. I'll just quickly go through the pictures I took and explain. Pretty easy to do. So this is how it will look. You have these two plastic clip screws. So him here is how yours will look. Here's how it will be after you just turn that screw like a quarter turn. It'll pop out, and then you can just pull them out, and it'll kind of look like this here, and then you can just keep pulling all the way, and he'll pop all the way out. Do the same thing for the other one, and then you got to take off this shroud that it was holding on. So you kind of want to pull it up and then out. I shot a little how-to here. Just gotta kind of push up and then pull out. Alright, so once you have that shroud off, here's what it will look like. Then you just got two Phillips heads right here and right here. So just take those out, and then you just want to pull the whole housing straight back towards you. You may have to kind of wiggle it side to side a little bit, but it should come out pretty easy. And it is attached, obviously, so don't just yank out as hard as you can. So then you just got to disconnect this one connector here. So push down on this and then pull back. You may have to kind of use two hands to hold this housing part. It's kind of hard to just push him down and pull because it's not held on super sturdy here, so it kind of moves with this. So you may have to kind of lean this on your leg and then put a hand here, push down, pull. And once you get that disconnected, that's really all there is. So now it's completely free, and I'm just showing here now. This is where the turn signal bulb is. So the wiring is kind of in your way, and Subaru just has it hooked in here to kind of keep it out of the way from smashing. So you just pull it out of there. So now here's a picture of it after it's out. So he would normally be here, but then you can just turn this counterclockwise and pull it out. And they put nice little markings on it too, so when this arrow is lined up with this arrow, it's locked, and so to take it out, you'll turn it counterclockwise till he lines up with this circle, and then it can pull out. And then when you put it back in, you obviously have this lined up with the circle, and then turn it clockwise until he's lined up with him. And then here's just kind of a picture of it out of there, and I already have a new LED in there, so that's not what yours will look like. Here, if you can see in the picture, here's the original bulb here. And then obviously just perform all these steps in reverse order and you'll be all set.